Let's talk about velvet. Now, velvet has a unique characteristic to it known as nap. N-A-P. Let's see what that means. I have here a pair of corduroy pants. Velvet, corduroy, they have a nap. What that means is, if I run my hand in one direction, say going down, right? You'll notice that the fabric is smooth. If I run in the opposite direction, it's not smooth, it's rough. That is known as a nap. Now, what happens is, if you have your fabric, here's your roll of fabric, right? And you're laying down a pair of pants, for example, okay? And so here's your pair of pants. And sometimes to use every inch of the fabric, what pattern makers and cutters and designers do, they try to interlock all the pieces so that every little inch is used. In the case of velvet, corduroy, which has a nap, right? You have to keep in mind that all the pieces have to go in one direction. Otherwise, what happens if you cut one pant with the nap going in one direction and the other leg in a different direction, you're going to notice a difference in the shade. Even though it's black, you'll see that it looks different. One leg looks really dark black and the other is like kind of a gray. So you have to keep this in mind when you're working with velvet and corduroy. You have to lay down your patterns going in the same direction. Don't forget that or you're gonna be in big trouble. Okay. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.